All right, we're back. Let's do this. Come on, Pin. Come on. Yeah, little girls. Yeah, little girls. Yeah, little girl dog. All right, I think there's some jumps coming up. But where they're at, I don't know, because they're new. They're new. Oh, I think they'd be more on a downhill, maybe. We're back. She's pushing the bike. This trail you can ride. Anyone can ride this trail. Come on. Come on. Anyone can ride this trail. Come on, little soldier. Like, I'm not even going fast. Am I going fast? No. No, I'm not. Now I'm going fast. Ow. She should be riding this trail. It's not bad. It's flat. But she's not. I see little gold dog. Papoo, I see you. Come on, little gulls. And she's still pushing. Okay, we're gonna ride. We're gonna ride this trail. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, the jumps are to the left. So I gotta wait here. See, that's how we know to the left. All right, I might as well stop it and then I'll be back.